Hello everyone, welcome to week 72 of my journey. Question, have you ever felt like whatever project or transaction you're doing is not working? You want to stay tuned in this video. I'm going to share with you a recent win because of patience and hard work. Hi everyone, I'm Ben, your agent with Aguilar Realty Group, brokered by eXp Realty. I'm so excited to announce my first sale this year. Let me share with you a quick story about it. So, my clients Victor and Fabiola went into escrow last year in June, but unfortunately we couldn't close because of the tenant that lived in there. So a couple things happened. While we waited for the tenants to be removed, number one, we continued looking at homes and made offers. Number two, the mortgage rates went up and my clients had to change their loan strategy. Hey, shout out to our preferred loan officer who worked hard to keep them locked in a low rate. And number three, we couldn't do nothing but wait it out. It was crazy, guys. Every single month my client would call, anything new, Ben? And I would be so sad to tell him no, not yet. And so things like this, man, there really is out of your control. So what really happened was that the seller and the seller's agent gave the tenants options as many as possible. They gave cash for keys, and the tenant wanted the cash before moving out, which is crazy. And they also gave the 60-day notice way in advance. And last but not least, they had to get a lawyer. And to get the lawyer to go through the court process to evict took like 4 months or so. It was really, really crazy. So then the time finally arrived when the sellers were able to evict the tenants after about 11 months, guys. 11 months, crazy. But by this time, we had to get another appraiser to go and inspect the home. Luckily, my client are handyman, and they literally repaired everything that the appraiser asked for. Last thing, sellers even had to hire my friend. Shout out to Byron Cabrera, who's a junk removal company, did a fantastic job. And sellers had to tell him to remove tons of junk that the tenants left. And within a week, we closed. Hallelujah. It was such a relief for everyone. And I want to take this time, I want to thank my clients, my team leader, Hector Aguilar, the seller's agent, Cynthia, our TC, escrow team, and title team, and the lender for being so patient. Everyone worked so hard with this one, and we did it, and I'm so grateful. So that's my message to you watching. Be patient. Whatever transaction that you're working on or a project that you're working on, Yah has a great plan and his time is perfect. And so if you're jumping on for the first time and watch this video or my journey for the first time, welcome. If this video helped you in any way, shape, or form, remember to subscribe, hit the like, and comment below to what you learned from this video. And I'm just so grateful for every single subscriber and for future ones to come. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you on the next one. Yah bless you.